She looked like a loyal diplomat, polite, diligent, invisible. But her typewriter hid Soviet codes. Florence Houghton worked inside the U.S. State Department in the 1940s. By day, she typed speeches and memos. By night, her typewriter clattered with hidden messages rolling straight to Moscow. Each keystroke carried secrets, names, meetings, cables. Her reports helped Moscow map America's policies and track its diplomats. The Cold War was only beginning, yet the Kremlin already had a spy in Washington's halls. But suspicion grew. Colleagues noticed midnight work, missing drafts, shadows in the corridor. The FBI began to watch. They traced her contacts, checked her pages, and found typewriter ribbons filled with encrypted code. Florence Houghton was confronted. The facade of loyalty collapsed. To America, she was a traitor. To Moscow, another asset lost. She had blended in perfectly until one ordinary machine revealed extraordinary treason. Follow us for more spy stories the world tried to erase.